Today we're going to be talking about calculating the volume of rectangular prisms. So what you've been used to previously is you guys have been talking about two dimensions where we have length and width, and this would be called area. So it would be LW, or L times W. Whereas when we have the formula for volume, it's the amount of space a three-dimensional object takes up. That has length, width, and height. So if I could think about it this way, it's pretty much, if I could see this from a bird's eye view, it would be this. But what happens is, when I look at it from an angle like this, I can see that that straight rectangle has some height to it of 2 centimeters. So that means if I could think about it as my rectangle times its height, I can get any type of prism that I would have. So the volume is two different formulas. Length times width, which is our base, times height, our three-dimensional part. So I could also think about it about this way. So volume could also be the area of its base. So if our base is that, length times width, area of base, I'm just going to call that B. So it'd be B times H. Okay, so whatever the area of the base is times its height. Going farther, what is volume? It's the amount that takes up space. It's the amount that a shape takes up. And so when I'm calculating this, I have my formula, and then I input my amounts in there. So to calculate it, remember it's length times width times height. Our length is 5, our width is 2, and our height is 2. So I multiply 5 times 2 gets me 10 times 2 gets me 20. Now our unit is cubic units because we're using three-dimension. Area is square, units is cubed. So when I look at this, it's going to be centimeters cubed. And so to calculate the volume of a rectangular prism, it's length times width times height. The area of the base times its height. Get to it.